Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob from the Campbell Chronicles here with DVC Shop, and thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to discuss a little bit, let's be honest, it can be a little frustrating at times. We're going to talk a little bit about that Disney IT, and more specifically, how to make a reservation for dining through the My Disney Experience app. Now before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know what you think about this process in the comment section. I know it can be a little confusing to some, especially if you're used to just making those reservations online, but in the MDE app, it is a little bit different and it can be streamlined a little bit. So we're actually going to walk you through today on how to do that. So let us know what you think in the comments. Is it something you like to do on the computer or the app, or you just give up? You don't get, I don't know. Put it in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Now, as I said before, this can be a really frustrating process, but we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway. So let's just go. I'm gonna share my screen with you so you can see exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it, and I'll talk you right through it. All right, so starting here from the home page, it says hello Robert. It has my plans and so on. It says you when my next check-on is and so on. So you got the park hours and so on. We're gonna head all the way down. We can go to the plus button down at the very bottom. Okay. From here, we can check dining availability, we can check order food or so on, but more specifically, we're gonna check restaurant availability. We can do it through here. This is one way, and I'll show you the way here, another way here in a second. First things first, you're gonna select your party size. I have a family of 5. I got 3 kids myself. Then we're gonna go ahead and select the dates we want. Now the dates right now can only be done about 60 days in advance. So we're gonna say, okay, we're gonna go for Valentine's Day. Let's see what's available. We want breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's click on dinner. Wanna have a nice romantic evening maybe wanna have a nice evening with the kids, and right away it shows you what's available in the dinner hours. Now depending on where you go, it's gonna have different things. You got Beer Garden over at Epcot, you got 50s Primetime at Hollywood Studios, Ale and Compass over at Yacht Club, and so on. I mean, this is one way to do it. But say you don't want to go through this mountainous line forever and ever. I mean, look how long this goes. You can actually head over and do it the other way. Now I'm going to hit the X in the top left. Let's say I know I want to eat at Topolino's at Riviera. That's a place that I know I want. I'm going to go to the search button here and get rid of my last search. I'm going to type in Topolino's. Okay, and it's just Topo right there because it'll pop up there. And it shows right there, Topolino's Terrace, flavors of the Riviera. It will tell you right away, as you can see there in that orangish red, that the walk-up list is at capacity. So keep that in mind. If you're just trying to show up the day of, you can get on the walk-up wait list as long as that's not showing. And then right there, you can see the reserve dining. I'm going to click on that. Again, you got to select your party size. Okay, 5 of us. And now, just for kicks, I'm going to go a little bit further out to see what's available. I'm going to click on the furthest possible because, like most people, when it comes to Disney dining, they are on here as soon as they possibly can and to reserve the dining. I'm going to click on the 4th for, let's say we want that character breakfast that they have over there. Click on that and it searches, and look at that. Nothing is found. So this is a good reminder of one of the reasons why you want to get on there as soon as possible, because even at 60 days out, you're not able to book breakfast with us. Again, this is a good reminder as to why you want to be there as soon as possible to open reservations or to get your reservations. We're going to go ahead and try a different restaurant just so we can get the process down, okay? Let's try one of our other favorites. Let's see if the Whispering Canyon Cafe over at Wilderness Lodge has any availability. I type it in. I go over to Reserve Dining. Let's select our party. Up too much. Go back. And we're going to select, again, that on the 4th. Let's see what they have available. Let's see. I love their breakfast there. Let's see if their breakfast is open. Right there, they show you some breakfast times. Now, if you have some specific times, you can come over here to all these search by time sections, and that'll give you, the best, what they have. You click on, let's say, 11:30. It'll show you what they have around 11:30. They have an 11:30 available. They also have an 11:10. They have 11:50, and so on. It's really not hard. So let's say, okay, we're gonna have we want breakfast though, right? So let's go back to our breakfast options. I love me some good breakfast there. We're gonna click on 9 a.m. and from there, it got my Face ID. Now I'm gonna blank this out so You guys don't see this. I'll just skip ahead actually. Now what you didn't see is I went over to my email, I grabbed my code, I copied it, and I'm gonna paste it right there. There's my code there, and I'm gonna hit continue. This is just a double authentication style that they do now. I believe you can actually set that up, but it'll automatically default to your email. So 5 is available. 5 guests is available at 9 a.m. I already have my card linked in there, and I would just hit I have read that and hit book now. I'm not actually going to do that because I don't want this reservation. So I'm going to uncheck that, but keep in mind that's how you do it. That's it. Okay, you're done after that. Now with any dining reservation, don't forget that you are going to be subject to a no-show fee if you don't show up. So cancel if things change. Plans change, they understand that. So cancel at least 24 hours in advance, or show up at the desk if you're not able to and say, hey, I'm sorry, we're not able to go, but I just want to let you know that we're not a complete no-show. This avoids you getting charged, and it does vary by restaurants. So some of those more popular ones might charge you a little bit more. Just keep that in mind. That fee is not something that a lot of people like to get just for not showing up. So if you are changing your plans, just don't forget to cancel. But that's it, guys. It's really simple. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Have you done it by the app before? Or again, is it something you like to do only on the computer? I'm gonna tell you right now, I've grown really accustomed just using this app for almost everything Disney World. It's just really simple. Now, I will say this, Disney IT can be frustrating. If you're showing up first thing in the morning for some reservations, not all the restaurants are available. Like my most recent experience with this was when the Artist Point restaurant with the Snow White and Evil Queen character dining over at Wilderness Lodge opened back up. I got some reservations, but it was not open at the same time all the other ones were. It took about 15 to 20 extra minutes for them to show up. And when you're waking up really early in the morning on the West Coast to get those dining reservations, it can really kind of stink. So just keep that in mind, okay? Not all of them are going to be available right when that window opens. And I leave it at the window because depending on where you are in the country or world for that matter, will depend on when those dining reservations are open to be booked. That's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more of my family's adventures, head over to our channel. We're called The Campbell Chronicles. We'll put a link to our channel in the description below. On our channel, we discuss all things family, travel, and Disney. We have a lot of fun there with cruising, travel, and of course, we have a lot of fun with giveaways too. So definitely appreciate your support there with a subscription. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you real soon.